Okay. Hi everyone. Thank you for coming. My name is Louis Paul Cordier. I'm a product specialist and software developer at Dynamixyz. First of all, I would like to thank Tangram for welcoming me here and for setting up this event. So first I will present my company, and then I will show you a little video demonstrating what we can achieve with our technology. And then I will present you the global pipeline of the Performance Suite. I will go deeper into the details, and at the end I will do a real-time demonstration using this hardware. So who we are? So Dynamixyz has been founded in 2010. We are specialized in fashion motion capture. We have a cutting-edge technology in this industry. We work for video games, VFX, advertisements, beauty and automotive. And we are built top of a strong innovative R&D DNA. So let's start with a little video. So this is the baseline quality you can get using our software. So it works with any kind of characters. Can you put the sounds up from there? Yeah. I don't know if you can put it back. All right. So we can work with any kind of video streams. So for this example, here you have a video captured during a drama lesson. So this is the input of our pipeline. This is the result of the tracking. So you can see that our algorithms are able to locate the features of the face, like the eyes, the mouth, the nose. And here you get the result of the retargeting process. And so you can see that the lip sync is really good. And yeah. Well, okay, should I wait? Okay, I will show the demo reel, the presentation. So this is a little video of all the projects we work on. So we work on the Resident Evil. We have done some service on it because we are a software seller, but we also do service for companies who don't want to learn how to use our software. Oh. Okay. Is it? No, it's okay for the sound. We don't need it anymore, so you can put it back. It's okay. Yeah, yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Just put the yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so for Horizon, we did some service as well. We sell the software and set up all the profile for the company. Maybe you can. Can you? Thanks. So as you can see, you can use our technology to drive any kind of character. So this one was for an advertisement for cigarette smoking. So we can also do live, real-time tracking and retargeting. So, for example, if you want to prepare a show, dancing people, you can use our tracking technology in real time. So of course, for the real time and for the offline solution, our software is compatible with any kind of motion capture, body motion capture, like Xsense of Icon. Yeah. Okay. So as you can see, we have a lot of customers around the world, a lot of studio, film production studio and video game studios. And we also work with some universities, and we also work with companies doing advertisements or live events. So this is a very simple system overview. So what we use usually to capture motion is this kind of hardware. So we call it HMC, head-mounted camera. Sorry for the typo. And then it's a simple camera here. And we capture all the text, all the video text of the actors using a recording software called Grabber. And then all the videos, we provide them to a performer software that is in charge of doing the tracking and the retargeting. And then we have some bridge plugins that allows performer to send all the animation data to your favorite CG software. So we support Mobu, Maya, and 3ds Max. So the key point of our solution is it's production-oriented, meaning that first you have to set up the system to train it with actor face. You have to set up the retargeting, and then you wait to go for the production. Once the setup is done, you can provide many videos to the software. It will track everything and will output the results as FBX or any kind of animation file. So, sorry. So, of course, our system is very efficient when you have a big production with a lot of data to track. More the production is long, more you will save money and time. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. Okay, sorry. So, as you can see, our solution is not generic, meaning that you have to train the algorithm first before using our software, but once it's done, you don't need to go in this process again. So first, you have to make the tracking profile. So to do that, usually we record a video. We record a video, a short video that we call a range of motion. And it's a set of usually 52 expressions. And then when you have this video, you put it into our software, and then you have to go into the annotation process. So in the annotation process, you have to place some dots on each expressions you select to help the tracker to recognize the actor face. And then you can build a profile. So the system is clever in a sense that it will automatically try to find the face at the beginning to avoid you to make the annotation process very quick. So if, for example, you have an expression that is not well tracked after making your profile, you can come back to this step and add another expression. Then you have to do the retargeting profile. So to do the retargeting profile, we provide a bridge plugin that will be able to communicate with your CG software. And actually, doing the retargeting profile is making an association between an expression you have done during the tracking process and an expression of your character in the CG software. So our system is working with any kind of entity. It can work with blend shapes, bones, and controllers. So the advantage of having a tracking profile and or targeting profile is once the tracking profile of your actor is done, you can retarget with multiple retargeting profile. For example, if you have my profile, LP's profile, you can create a first retargeting profile for character 1, for example, another one for character 2, another one for Wolf. So it means that if you change your production to another project and you keep the same actors, you don't need to redo the tracking profile. So once you have done this setup, you can use the system in real time. So for that we use Grabber. So Grabber is used for recording video and tracking in real time as well. So once you have done your profile, you load it into Grabber, and then you open the camera from the HMC, and you're able to stream all the data to a 3D engine. So we provide the plugin for Unreal Engine and Unity. And yeah. So features highlight of our system. So as I said before, we have a pre-annotation system that is able to do a first pass on all the poses and to try to put the dots at the right position. And then you just have to correct the algorithm to see, oh, I'm not sure that the nose should be here, it should be here. So you just have to move the dots. Performer is able to generate animation curves. So if you are not happy with the results of Performer, you want to slightly modify some animations, you can do it afterwards. So as I said before, we can use any kind of video streams. So when you use, for example, a webcam, a static webcam, we can also track the position of the head. So we can get this kind of rotation in the animation. We also provide an anchor frame system. So anchor frame helps you, for example, to override the results of the retargeter in your CG software. So, for example, if an actor is doing like a crazy expression like this, and you want the character in the CG software to do a natural expression, you can override this using anchor frames. So our software takes the advantage of many-core CPUs, meaning that you can process a lot of data very quickly. As I said, the software is designed to do a lot of to track a lot of video in inputs. So we made what we call the batch mode. So basically, in the batch mode, you just have to load all the videos of your actors, and then you push a button, and everything will be automatically generated and saved, and the animation will be saved in the FBX format or whatever format your CG software is using. So also you can use our software in command line. For example, if you have a very complex pipeline in your studio and you have some scripting and stuff like that, you can use the command line interface of our software. I forgot to mention, but our tracker doesn't need dots on the face to track well the face. But if you want, we added a feature that can allow you to track markers. So why we track markers? Sometimes some studios want to track very specific areas of the face. So we developed an additional feature that allows to track this kind of markers, and it's also improves the results of the tracker, because sometimes big studios use their own retargeter based on points, and they don't use our retargeter. So if you use marker tracker with our software, you will be able to get so all the dots, all the tracking dots of the face, and you will be also able to get the extra marker dots. So as I said, you are not obligated to use our retargeter. If you have your own retargeter and you want to integrate in our pipeline, it's totally feasible. So we can output all the 3D points of our tracker, because inside Performer, our tracker works in 3D. So you can get the face of the actor, all the points in the 3D space. So one of the newest features we added to Performer is the multi-view system. So now we are able to track 2 to 9 views at the same time. It's the same workflow as in Performer single view. The only difference is we added a new system called Smart Annotation that makes the annotation process even faster. So the advantages of the multi-view is the robustness. The tracker is much more stable, and it also gets better precision, especially on the Z-axis. For example, this kind of movement was hard to get with a single view because you have only one camera. Using 2 cameras, this kind of movement is well tracked in Performer. So yeah, I will show you now a real-time demonstration of the system. So. So this is the Grabber software. So I need to load my profile. So this is a battery to power the LED strip, because we use infrared LEDs to light the face. Oh, maybe I need to remove the. So first, I have to align my face. Yeah, that's it. Wow. Okay. Oh. It's freezing. Okay. Don't know what's happening. What's going on? Oh. Demo effect. Oh, okay. Here we are. Okay. I think I need to restore it. Sorry. Okay, it's working. Oh, that's not. Oh, you don't have the feedback? Sorry.
I just can see the Windows screen. Okay, now it's okay. I think we need to use the microphone.
Yeah. Yeah, but so I prepared a scene in Unity with my CG specialist. So as you can see on the left, it's a result of the tracking, and on the right, it's the results in real time in Unity. So as you can see, so we track the eyes. Hey. Yeah. So this is what we can achieve in real time. And yeah, I don't know if you have any question on this. Okay. So this is all for me. I don't know if
Do you hear that?
yeah.
Okay. Then should I stop this?
Yeah.